Hello and welcome to the September 2022 release of Shopware 6. We have released the version 6.4.15 in this month, and in this video we are gonna take a glance at the new features like main variant visualization, improved image slider settings, and we'll talk about a new premium theme. But more to that, we'll have a look together in a while. The first feature I'm going to explain here is about the displaying of the single variant in the storefront. So before we had the possibility to display only the main product of a variant product in the storefront, but the customers had no idea that this product has some available variants other than going into details. So in order to have this displayed in the storefront, we should have some configuration and settings in the admin. So just switch to one of the variant products in the admin and go to the variants tab, and here you'll find the storefront presentation. Click on that and switch to the product listings. So we should switch to the single main variant, and we have now here single variant option where we can from the drop down list select one of the variant products to be displayed as a single variant in the storefront. So I'm going to go ahead and select this red and medium size variant to be displayed in the storefront. I saved it already, and I'm going to save it also the product itself in the admin, and then switch to the storefront to see the result. Here I'm going to reload the page, and as you can see, the single variant of the product is also can be displayed in the storefront as a single variant. So the customer now has an opinion that this product is a variant and has other available variants. The goal is here to optionally change the listing display so that the customer sees directly that the product has several variants to improve the detail page conversion. The second development in the new release I'm going to talk about is about the documents. As you know, Shopware provides templates for many essential business documents such as invoices, delivery notes, or credit notes. So these templates needed a little bit design updates, so we did it for you and also solved some of the issues in the document area. To name some of the fixed issues, the missing logo will now be shown in the documents, and also the missing of the salutation of the customers is also one of the fixed areas. So field company email address now will be displayed in the letterhead on the right as described in the documentation, and the company website field will also be displayed in the top right hand corner of the letterhead as described in the documentation. In the new release, it's going to be possible to show VAT ID if applicable, and also the delivery date depending on document language will be displayed in the documents. Also, to name one of the new features, when creating a new document in admin, the document type assignment will be displayed in the beginning of the new document creation window. Another news in regard to the documents now is that it's now possible in the new release to make a search by the document number. So up to now it was possible to search the orders by the order number in the search box in admin. Now it's possible also to make a search by the document number as well. So to show you this feature, I have created an order already and created a delivery note with the number 1003. So I'm going to go ahead and search the number of the document by the number of the document. Under this order, you can see a delivery note with the number 1003 is already created and searchable in the admin in the search box. In order to have this feature, and you have to go to your profile in admin and under search preferences, make the document number as ticked and available for searchable under orders in admin area. Another development made in the new release is about the image slider configuration in administration. So in shopping experiences, in one of the layouts, you can add the image slider and then switch in the element settings to activate auto sliding. If auto sliding is activated, now you have the possibility to add field to set a duration for how long the slide should stay still, and also the field for the duration of the sliding animation. And more to that, you can find the details in our documentation accordingly. In this video, we had the chance to have an overview of the new features and developments in the coming release of Shopware 6 in September. More information you can find in our documentation, or you can refer to the features and releases page on the shopware.com website. I hope you enjoyed the new features of 6.4.15, and I wish to see you in the next video. Until then, take care.